Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning viewers. In this video we will be seeing about the Jupiter transit which is going to take place on November 20th 2021. Jupiter moves from Capricorn to Aquarius and it stays there for about 145 days, maximum 5 months. Then it moves away from Aquarius to Pisces during 13th of April 2022. We will be seeing based on the Jupiter's position as well as the places it aspects as well as position of Rahu Ketu and Saturn for each and every zodiac sign, what are the probable benefits a person could get during this period. If you are new to this channel, keep this channel subscribed so that you will get my instant updates whenever I release it. On 20th of November 2021, during the transit, you could see the planetary position being displayed here, where the star is Rohini, and in Taurus you could see there is a conjunction of planets Rahu and Moon there, and in the Libra you could see Mercury is along with Mars, and in Scorpio Ketu is along with Sun, and in Sagittarius you could see Venus, and at Capricorn Saturn being a ruler. Aquarius you could see Jupiter there. That is, Jupiter has moved on that particular time, that is around 11:30 p.m. on that same day from Capricorn to Aquarius. On 13th of April 2022, it is Pushya star where Moon is at Leo, and at Libra you could see Ketu there, and at Aries there is a conjunction of planet between Rahu and Mercury. I could see Saturn being ruler at Capricorn, and at Aquarius you could see Mars is there along with Venus, and Jupiter had moved on that particular day to Pisces. That is, you could see in Pisces Jupiter is along with Sun. So this is the planetary position once the Jupiter gets transit from Aquarius to Pisces on 13th of April 2022. So, in Aquarius, Jupiter stays only for 145 days hardly. Now we will be seeing for each and every zodiac sign what is the impact based on the Jupiter's position and the places it aspects. Aries, the first zodiac sign as per the Kalapurusha Tattva. For Aries, this Jupiter transit, Jupiter moves from 10th house to the 11th house. 11th house indicates profit. So we can expect good amount of profit for Aries. So the position of Jupiter seems to be highly favorable for them. But at the same time, when Saturn is alone at the 10th house, it will give some disturbances also. So Saturn is functionally a negative planet, and Jupiter, when it is associated with Saturn till this period, so the ill effect of Saturn being controlled by Jupiter. Once Jupiter moves away from the 10th house to the 11th house, now Saturn becomes the more negative planets when compared to the Jupiter associated with it. So now when you see the Jupiter's position, it looks good amount of profit on the 11th house, but at the same time when you see at the workplace where 10th house denotes the workplace, now the people will find some difficulties in the workplace, there will be some problems. They may face some challenges during this period. Now Jupiter aspects the 3rd house, 5th house and the 7th house for Aries. So the 3rd house indicates the hard work, the energy level of the person, and it indicates the younger brothers, and 11th house indicates the elder brothers and sisters. So for Aries, there is a good support from the brothers and sisters during this period, and they will work with full enthusiasm, and all their efforts will come to a good results. It will yield a good results for them. When Jupiter aspects the 5th house, there are chances that they may get good fortunes during this period, and they may get good names and fame. There are chances during this period they get a good childbirth during this particular time. For those children, this particular zodiac sign, they may be more supportive and the parents will get good name and fame out of their children. there are chances some of the elders in this particular zodiac sign visit their children's places, and they can stay, they can go away from the native place and to a different countries also, and they can stay along with their son or daughter and enjoy this period. Now, Jupiter aspecting the 7th house indicates there are chances for those who are unmarried till this time. There are chances they may get good alliances and get settled in their life. The conflict between the husband and wife will get reduced during this time. Those who are separated for long, there are chances during this time they will get united. So these are some of the positivity when Jupiter aspecting these houses. Also, you can see there is a good improvement in the business. Those who are working with partners, there are chances that during this time the business will grow and they can enjoy good amount of profit, as 11th house is also very strong. But at the same time, since the 10th house is very weak, as Saturn, it will give its ill effect also, because it is functionally it's not a positive planet, and the places it aspects like the 3rd house, and it aspects the 4th house, and it aspects the 7th house also. Now, the effect of Saturn becomes very powerful in the negative sense, because there is no positive planets like Jupiter or Venus or rising moon or Mercury. A standalone Mercury is associated. As far as they get associated, Saturn will not do bad effects, but if they are away, then certainly the effect of Saturn will be in a negative way. So when it aspects in the 12th house, some may not get a good sleep during this time. They will have some worries, may take tablets for sleeping and all. And Saturn aspects the 4th house directly, so some of them they find problems in their mother's and health, as well as there will be some problems with their mother's family, and there may be conflicts in the purchases of assets. So some may buy houses or vehicles, and they may find some disputes or problems in their purchase. There may be some legal issues and they need to fight out in court and win some cases. So they may find some difficulties in all these things areas, and they should be very much careful in investing amount in share market or purchasing of any assets. So due to Saturn aspecting the 4th house, it will give some bad effects also. Saturn also aspecting the 7th house, there may be some delay in the marriage alliances or anything that relates to the 7th house. So some may find good alliances, but there may be a slow progress in getting it settled. So these are some of the negative aspects of the Saturn which aspects these houses. One more critical point to note here is, so far Rahu is in the 2nd house, which is being controlled by Jupiter from the 10th house. Once Jupiter moves away from 10th to 11th house, now Rahu becomes, again it is free, and no positive planet, functionally positive planets is aspecting or associated with Rahu. So 2nd house again, it gives some trouble. So the communication, they may find difficulties in communication. There may be some problems in the financial growth in certain places, and they may find some difficulties in their establishment in their house. There may be problems in the family life. So this is all due to the Rahu's ill effect. It may lead to some problems. So now, during this period when Jupiter moves away from 10th to 11th house, there may be some bad effects from Rahu, some bad effects from Saturn, which will give some troubles also. But at the same time, when Jupiter moves to the 11th house, there is a good support from the brothers, sisters, there may be good improvement in the business, and there may be some good support from the children. Children will study good, and they may win out of many competitions and win out many prizes. So this period, this particular 5 months seems to be highly encouraging for the zodiac signs. Those who are jobless, they need to try a lot to get good job, because the Saturn is very strong alone in the 10th house. It may give some difficulties in getting a good job also. But at the same time, it is the ruler on its own house. There may be chances for those who are associated with the zodiac sign of Capricorn and Aquarius. There may be bright chances for getting a very good break in their future, and they may get some good job promotions or new job ventures. All becomes very much positive for them. Those who are aspiring for good job positions, this seems to be highly positive for the current Jupiter transit. Going to be more positive for the zodiac sign Aries. So we can expect 90% profitability for this particular zodiac sign.